everyone, bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 176, numéro 176. Today we are continuing our conjugation series in the imperfect tense, or l'imparfait in French. And this time we are learning how to conjugate another super useful verb, the verb aller, which means to go. Now, if you want a little refresher on the verb aller, I covered the present tense of the verb in episode number 23 and the future tense in episode 105. So feel free to listen to those ones after this lesson. Now, as always, if you are new to the podcast, welcome. Please make sure you have your lessons cheat sheet ready so you can follow along while you listen. And after the lesson, you can practice what you've learned using the exercises inside the French Made Easy exercise library. You'll find all the links in the episode notes. It is free. All right, so just a quick reminder before we get started. The imperfect tense, or l'imparfait, is used to talk about past habits, ongoing actions, or situations in the past. So, a few examples. Quand j'étais petite, je lisais tous les soirs. When I was little, I used to read every evening. Quand j'étais petite, je lisais tous les soirs. Il faisait très chaud l'été dernier. It was very warm last summer. Il faisait très chaud l'été dernier. All right, so now let's see the verb aller conjugated in the imperfect tense. Please repeat after me and learn this by heart. J'allais, I was going or I used to go. J'allais, tu allais, you were going or you used to go. Tu allais. Il or elle allait, he or she was going. Il or elle allait. On allait. We were going. On allait. Nous allions. We were going. Nous allions. Don't forget the liaison. Vous alliez. You were going. Vous alliez. Ils or elles allaient. They were going. Ils or elles allaient. Okay, now let's see a few example sentences. Please repeat after me. À l'époque, j'allais rarement à la gym. Back then, I rarely went to the gym. À l'époque, j'allais rarement à la gym. Quand tu étais petite, tu allais souvent chez le docteur. When you were little, you often went to the doctor. Quand tu étais petite, tu allais souvent chez le docteur. Quand il habitait à Paris, il allait au travail en métro. When he lived in Paris, he used to go to work by metro. Quand il habitait à Paris, il allait au travail en métro. On allait toujours chez mes grands-parents le dimanche. We always used to go to my grandparents on Sundays. On allait toujours chez mes grands-parents le dimanche. Chaque été, nous allions en Bretagne. Every summer, we went to Brittany. Chaque été, nous allions en Bretagne. Elles allaient toujours au même café après leur cours d'anglais. They always went to the same cafe after their English class. Elles allaient toujours au même café après leur cours d'anglais. Vous alliez à Marseille en avion ou en train? Did you used to go to Marseille by plane or by train? Vous alliez à Marseille en avion ou en train? Okay, so now let's do a quick recap of the verb aller conjugated in the imperfect tense. j'allais, tu allais, il, elle allait, on allait, nous allions, vous alliez, il, elle allaient. Et voilà, that wraps up our lesson on how to conjugate the verb aller in the imperfect tense. Now make sure you download the cheat sheet to review today's conjugation and head over to the exercise library to get some extra practice. The exercises really help everything stick, so don't skip them. Thank you so much for listening and I'll chat with you next week. À bientôt. Bye. Now, before you go, if you are just starting your French grammar journey and you are not sure where to begin, I've created something just for you. It is called the French Grammar Essentials Checklist for Beginners, and it will help you keep track of what you already learned, what you need to focus on next, and how to stay organized as you go. You can download the checklist from the show notes. It is completely free. Go grab it and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye.